How to copy Spotify playlist between different accounts. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you guys can copy all the contents of a playlist from one playlist to another playlist on Shopify in just a few seconds. So all that you guys need to do is simply open up Spotify on your computer, and then after that from over here click on the left side on the playlist that you have already. So over here I absolutely love this particular playlist, and over here the first process is to of course just simply add songs one by one, but that takes such a long time. The second process is to just simply select all of these songs at once. Now how do you do that? Just simply click on anywhere on the screen, and if you are on Windows press Ctrl A, and if you are on a Mac press Command A. So I am on a Windows and I will press Ctrl A, and as you guys can see that all the songs are now selected. Now from over here press Ctrl C or Command C depending upon if you're on Windows or Mac. And then after that, once you've done that, all of your songs are now copied to clipboard. Now from over here, create a new playlist if you want to. And then after that, just simply type in a name for this playlist. So I'm going to type in test name. And then after that from over here, just simply press Ctrl V, and all of your songs are going to be pasted over here in your new playlist. If you're on a Mac, press Command V, and if you're on Windows, press Ctrl V. And that is how you guys can actually copy and paste between different playlists on Spotify. So guys, this is how you can copy songs between playlists. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.